Hey, this is Justin with Pacific IT Support, and I wanted to share this quick tip with you that hopefully helps you with your workflow and your productivity. So like most people, when we sit down to work and we open our browser, we normally have a bunch of things open, tabs, different websites. And I want to show you a powerful feature in Microsoft Edge called Collections. Collections can be found in this icon right here. So say we're sitting down to do our work and we normally have these tabs open. To start a new collection, we right click on a single tab, go down to the bottom, and we can add all tabs to collections, start new collection. It adds all our tabs to a collection. We can view that collection right here. And I'm going to go ahead and edit this to test workflow. Now, when I go to sit down and do my work, instead of opening up all those tabs, I can navigate over here to my collection, right click on it and open all four. And now I can go ahead and get started. Another powerful feature and idea to use collections that really helps with workflow is you can create a collection for everything that you do. So maybe we have some tabs open. Just for example, I'm going to open up any website, but say this is what I use when I'm booking a client's appointment. I'm going to come here. I have all my tabs open. I right click and I'm going to add all tabs to a new collection, start a new collection. And now we're going to name this workflow book appointments. Now, when I sit down to start my work, I come to my collections and I have my workflow, which I'll open up. And then I do my work. And then now I'm going to book appointments for the sake of our example. I come to our collections, book appointment, right click, open all in a new window. And now I have all my tabs ready to go to complete that task. And you can do unlimited amount of collections. So hopefully this helps you with your workflow and be more productive. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.